Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib is a central figure in Islamic history, serving as the ultimate example of knowledge, bravery, justice, and simplicity. He was the cousin and son-in-law of Holy Prophet ﷺ and the Caliph of Islam. Here is a brief but comprehensive overview of his life. His name was Ali. The famous title were Asadullah. It means Lion of Allah. Haidar-e-Qarrar, impetuous warrior. Murtaza, the chosen one, and Maulay Kainat. His father was Janabe Abu Talib. He was the chief of Quraysh and protector of Prophet ﷺ. His mother was Hazrat Fatima bint Asad. Hazrat Ali was born on 13 of Rajab inside the Holy Kaaba in Makkah. He is a unique honor in human history granted only to him. Hazrat Ali was raised directly under the care of Holy Prophet ﷺ. When the Prophet proclaimed his prophethood, Hazrat Ali was the first to accept Islam. He was approximately 10 years old at the time. When the tribe of Makkah plotted to assassinate the Holy Prophet ﷺ and he was commanded to migrate to Medina, Hazrat Ali risked his life by sleeping in the Prophet's bed. This selfless act allowed the Prophet to leave safely and confuse the assassin. After the migration to Medina, the Holy Prophet ﷺ gave his beloved daughter, the Lady of Paradise, Khatun-e-Jannat, Hazrat Fatimatu Zuhra, in the marriage to Hazrat Ali. Famous from this blessed union, Imam Hassan, Imam Hussain, and Hazrat Zainab were born. Hazrat Ali displayed unmatched bravery in almost all defensive battles of Islam. He is known as Lion of Allah, Asadullah. The famous one, Battle of Badr. He defeated many of Quraysh chieftains. Battle of Uhud. He acted as a shield of the Prophet ﷺ when the Muslim army was in disarray. Battle of Khandak, the trench. He defeated the legendary Arab warrior Amr ibn Abd, securing a major victory for Islam. Battle of Khaybar. He famously ripped the heavy gate of Khaybar fortress from its hinge, a feat no ordinary man could perform, and led the Muslim to victory. Hazrat Ali was an ocean of knowledge. The Holy Prophet ﷺ famously said, "I am a city of knowledge and Ali is its gate." His sermon, letter and sayings are collected in the book Nahjul Balagha, the peak of elegance, which remains a masterpiece of literature and guide on the governance and ethics. After the martyrdom of Hazrat Usman, the Muslim chosen Hazrat Ali as a fourth caliph. He moved the capital from Medina to Kufa. His rule was epitome of justice. He treated the elite and the common citizen equally, especially regarding the distribution of wealth from the treasury, Baitul Mal. Despite being the ruler of vast empire, he lived a life of extreme poverty and simplicity. On the 9th of Ramzan 40 Hijri, while leading the Fajr prayers at the great mosque of Kufa, he was struck on the head with a poisoned sword by a rebel Khaji named Ibn Muljim. After suffering from the wound for 2 days, he attained martyrdom on the 21st of Ramzan. His shrine is located in Najaf, Iraq.